Welcome to Agents of Erosion by Caitlynn and Connor.
The first type of erosion is water erosion. In this picture, there's a very strong river. And as you see, it's pounding and pushing all the rocks to one side. It carries all of the sediment somewhere else and shapes the rocks a little by little, depending on what type of rock it is.
This second picture shows a deep carved space on the ground well. It started with this small crack, and as it rained, the rain went uphill to downhill and filling up the cracks. As it pours down, it carries the sediment away from its original place. It also carries the larger rocks at the very end, making the crack deeper, similar to the last picture, the river.
The second type of erosion is wind erosion. This is a picture of a mushroom rock. How did it form? Well, at one point, this rock didn't have any space at the bottom here. But the wind carried the sand little by little until it hit the rock. The wind could only blow it at a small length, so it only was blowing the sediment at the bottom. Over time, the little bits of sand and sediment would carve into the rock to make it a mushroom rock.
Dunes are also a part of wind erosion. The sand on the windward slope slide will be carried by the wind and the direction it's going. Once the sand reaches the very, very tip, called the pearls, it will fall over the other side called the slip face. This forms a steeper slope each time the process goes. It's as simple as that.
The third type of erosion is ice erosion. In this picture, this whole area used to be flat. What happened? Well, the whole land had cracks on this ground. So when it rained, the water snuck into the cracks and froze. As time went by, the ice grew or expanded until it broke the rock apart. This probably took millions and millions of years.
This picture shows another type of ice erosion. The glacier is first formed when it rains, freezes, turns into ice, then flows as a glacier. Then it can scrape and break the rock layer under it. After that, the glacier could transport it away from where the rock was usually found.
The last type of erosion is gravity erosion. It's very simple. The picture here shows the rock falling down on the slope. It could fall down slow or fast, depending how steep the hill or mountain is. Once it all falls down, you can't put the rocks back together again, just like Humpty Dumpty.
This example shows a landslide, similar to the last picture. Over here, the gravity pulled a big amount of rock downhill. It happened so fast or so sudden, it could be very dangerous, especially when driving by.
Thank you for watching our presentation, Agents of Erosion.
We hope you enjoyed it!